El Paso transformed. A snowy interlude in the Sun City. El Paso, Texas, a city accustomed to scorching summers and balmy winters, woke up to a sight it rarely sees: snow. A winter storm swept through the region, draping the Franklin Mountains in a pristine white robe and dusting palm trees with powdered sugar. For a few fleeting days, the bustling Sun City transformed into a winter wonderland, captured in captivating photographs that tell a story of beauty, resilience, and community spirit. Mountains. Kissed by frost, the iconic Franklin Mountains, usually bathed in golden sunlight, became majestic giants cloaked in white. Their normally ochre peaks disappeared under a thick layer of snow, creating a stunning contrast against the clear blue sky. It was a scene reminiscent of snow-capped Alps, but with a distinctly Texan twist. Tropical trees in winter wonderland, El Paso's palm trees, symbols of its desert heritage, received a whimsical makeover. Their fronds, usually swaying in the warm breezy, were delicately dusted with snow, resembling Giancouton candy creations. This surreal juxtaposition of tropical flora and winter attire became a viral sensation, capturing the essence of El Paso's unique charm. Frozen moments and icy adventures, public spaces became playgrounds for winter photography. Fountains, usually gurgling with water, froze mid-cascade, their intricate sculptures adorned with crystalline icicles. Parks transformed into slippery sledding slopes, with children bundled in winter gear, gleefully leaving trails of laughter in the fresh powder. Neighborhoods in tranquil hues, the typically bustling residential streets took on a peaceful air. Houses sported snowy roofs, sidewalks became quiet paths, and car windows wore shimmering coats of frost. The muted color palette, a blend of white, gray, and the occasional pop of yellow from a house light, created a serene atmosphere, a stark contrast to the city's usual vibrancy. Beyond the beauty, a community in the cold. Despite the challenges posed by the storm, the El Paso community came together in admirable ways. Neighbors checked on each other, families offered rides to stranded individuals, and local businesses provided warm meals and shelter to those in need. This spirit of resilience and solidarity shone through the frosty air, proving that even in the coldest of times, the warmth of human connection can thaw any adversity. Ephemeral magic. The winter storm's visit was fleeting, as the desert sun soon began to reclaim its dominion. The snow gradually melted, revealing the familiar brown hues of the landscape. Yet, the memory of El Paso's winter wonderland lingered, a reminder of the city's capacity for surprise and the ever-changing tapestry of nature's beauty. El Paso's winter storm may have been unexpected, but it left behind a treasure trove of memories, captured in photographs that tell a story beyond snow and ice. They tell a story of a city's adaptability, the human spirit's resilience, and the ephemeral beauty that nature can bring even to the driest corners of the earth. That's all for today. Stay happy with the next interesting video. Thanks for watching.